Hey guys, what's up? It's the JJJ. I know I just did a video. I want you to know. Yesterday at 3 o'clock in the morning, I got up. It wasn't my Nana, it wasn't my cousin, it wasn't my papa. It was something running across my living room. It wasn't a pet either, because it was, especially, it was too big. It wasn't a snake. It was too fat. It was like, and it was whistling. I was like, I better think it's a ghost. So tonight, if you subscribe to my channel, then you may come with me to find the ghost. And plus, guys, we're going outside tonight. After that, we'll probably one day we're gonna go outside. And we're going to check out there because I'm going to show y'all where the people are buried. And y'all are like, Jada, did you do that? Jada, really? No. So I'm going to tell you the story, actually. So, the story was like, it was people who used to live here back. And, like, people used to live here. And some stuff we found here was theirs. So what happened was, like, this person, I guess, whatever, was here who, like, it was a little girl who was here. They said the story was the little girl was here. She went for bed. And about, like, at 3 o'clock, as I said, it was someone running across this room. 3 o'clock. At 3 o'clock, like I said, she was running across the living room, just like I said, running across the living room and like that. And she was playing, but her parents told her to get ready for bed, guys. And I'm actually telling the truth because I have caught this thing on camera before, but I just haven't put it on YouTube because just so like that, and then she was yelling. Because there was something in here, like a bad guy who kidnapped her. And the spirit is going around still because they have, like, it's a house across from me. No one has been towards me. It's like sideways. Like, towards me. I just listen. This, I don't know if it's her because he took over there because no one used to live over that side. There's just like 4 houses over here. No one used to live over there because he heard all types of stuff and noises. So he killed all the people by him and took their houses down and said, "Oh, he's a constructor, so he gets to do this." He's the only one. And guys, I'm going to tell you half of this probably tomorrow. Bye.